Oh, there he is. Oh no, wait, it's just a dog.
I could not find you anywhere.
You could not find me?
I could not find you. I've been looking all around here. And then I saw some man's bag. Some man. Good to see you.
You knew he's national champion, did
Well
you hear?
done. Yeah, regional champion.
Divisional something champion.
King of the world.
Good morning, welcome to today's video. It is a very hot day. We're cycling to Windsor and Lawrence yesterday won the national championships of the world. Divisional championships of everywhere, of all the regions that matter, like Central London. But there was 2 races joined into one, is that right?
Basically, to all you riders from Central, all pathetic. Basically, our Central region got cancelled because there was only 35 entries in the whole region. So the race got cancelled, and shout out to the guys from the South who were kind enough to let the races merge. So it was the South and the Central Divisional Championships.
Double whammy, and you still won it.
Double whammy. Yeah, but...
Did you ride away?
Yeah, of course. I'm not going to win a sprint, am I? It was good to put your hands up in the air. I'm still waiting for that photo though. I don't think anyone captured it.
Bifit James looks different, doesn't he?
He does. He changed his beard and his voice. I mean, we've got a fairly similar voice.
Talk less.
I do talk less.
So this Windsor route is a standard flat training ride. It suits us today because I can do a bit of work on the front. Lawrence can cruise behind because he's tired from yesterday's race, but you can still all ride together because there isn't any hills to sort of break it up. Nearly got killed by a dog. I've been doing a few sweet spot intervals recently. I'm trying to just bump up that threshold in preparation for my next event, which is Red Bull Time Lapse, a 25-hour race. We did it last year and we came second. We don't want to come second this year.
Hey.
That is next level.
It is next time. It's not mine. Don't know why you're filming me.
Oh, wait.
It's a world champion cake.
I mean, you know...
No, hang on. What music do we do when somebody wins?
Cheers. I appreciate that.
He probably has never played Mario. It's Lawrence.
never played it.
He doesn't
Cheers,
know any pop culture.
I have played Mario. I played it last week, in fact.
You just found out it was released.
Yeah.
Did you just get a Nintendo 64?
No, it's on the Wii.
Oh.
No, the proper style, yeah, proper.
Legend. Sneaky super zoom in, I didn't even notice.
You hear me?
Swiggins!
Loudest man in the world.
Nice kid, mate.
It's one of those angry white van men.
Get out of the way, you cyclists.
Yeah, what are you doing? You're taking up all the space.
Cyclists on the road.
A van really doesn't sound healthy. Come on, mate. How was the race one?
Basically,
Put into perspective, this was the Central and Southeast Road Race Regional Champs.
it's a great camera angle he has there. I've never done that shot before. I might try it.
Pros only, mate.
I don't win many races, so it was nice to put my hands up in the air. But basically, so halfway through the race, 80-mile road race, 12 of us got off the road. And then on the last lap, we almost got caught by the bunch. It almost came back. Got a bit panicky. Everyone started attacking each other.
How many people in your break?
12.
Big.
Yeah, fairly big, yeah. And then another guy got off the front, had about 50 metres. I bridged across to him and then dropped him in the crosswind section and then soloed to one.
Who were you away with?
I don't know. Paul. I think he actually got third because another guy
Oh, no.
caught him. And then almost got across to me, but no.
That's awesome considering you did your wrist in like not long ago.
So
and we ruined your
pleased.
fitness in America
Yeah,
with slow rides and beer.
When I came back, I was going like a sack of poo, and it took me a long time to feel like me again. Just the last couple of weeks, finally found some legs, and then yeah. So I've worked hard, so I feel like it's deserved. But it feels good. It does feel good. That cake was dessert. Breakfast for cake for breakfast. And then next weekend I got Rydell, which is
Hard.
the biggest and hardest race on my calendar. Hopefully next Monday we'll be sat here after Rydell and I'll be telling you how I won that as well.
Oh, that will be an episode.
Buy another cake if you
Yeah.
Another whole cake?
No, just
a half one.
Just a
Yeah,
slice.
yeah.
We've just made the discovery that you're...
Painted
Well,
Oakleys.
that Lawrence has an obsession with Oakleys being very clean, and that your Oakleys that have had a paint job
Yeah.
are
Significantly heavier.
a
than an original.
metric shit ton heavier than mine.
I can't weigh it, I don't know in grams, but Jesus Christ.
You can't wait.
It's raining.
The last motorway bridge we stopped under, or I stopped under,
Is it America?
was that day, the day,
Kelso.
Kelso.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where we didn't wake up early.
Seat's too high.
We rode for like 5 hours. And then
Very different weather to now.
Yeah, pretty different, yeah. I was leant up against the thing.
yeah.
Sand, in the sand.
There was a motorbiker there who'd stopped because he was too hot.
Yeah, he was
we were
too hot,
cycling.
yeah.
And then we proceeded to almost die
Yeah.
in Kelso.
It was 52 degrees.
I didn't stop in Kelso under a railway bridge.
Are you enjoying this experience?
I mean, as highway bridges go, it's a pretty good one. Got some concrete, very low level of graffiti.
Quite noisy.
So it is now raining too much to have the camera out. And because the forecast was like block sun, I didn't bring a bag. Idiot. You're the sun man, can't you do some sort of dance to like, you know, like a rain dance, but the opposite?
You can, but you don't really see it.
Massive head, massive head, massive head, massive head, massive head, massive head! Mate, don't you think that's a shit bench? I mean, what's it looking at?
I think.
Why doesn't it face the other way?
I think that's what's known as a smoking bench.
Keep the smokers away from that.
Yeah, just like outcast them as much as possible. What do you think?
Should we put James on it?
Yeah, James can
Just make him sit there. Just tell him to sit there when he stands up.
It's like facing the wrong way, so he's like on the naughty step.
Worst placed bench in the entire
Oh, we were
world.
just saying that.
Right. It's maybe the people who designed the Portsmouth Road cycleway designed this.
Yeah.
I think it's the same people. Such a lovely view. Maybe we should just build the wall up a little bit higher to make the view that bit more special.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What are you supposed to look at? John Lewis?
Afternoon.
Hello.
Well, mate, look, 3 amigos back together.
Hey! Where have you guys been?
Oh, we're cycling.
You've been cycling.
Unlikely.
I haven't ridden a bike in about 5 days.
Oh man, poor you.
I did go for a bike ride, but I'm working.
boats, though.
I've worked, yeah, hairy legs. I've been like tearing around the Swedish archipelago on a boat.
Mate.
You know how I drive a boat,
Yeah.
and the Swedish archipelago is flat. And I took lots of pictures with my new camera, which was really fun.
You gonna make vlogs?
Yeah. But I'm gonna make a vlog.
Damn. Heard it here first.
Not a vlog, but I'm gonna have a channel because nobody's really interested in my life. But there's something that's quite exciting that's going to happen that we're not telling the viewers about yet, are we?
Yeah, love top
I
secret.
don't even know about it. So.
It's super top
You do.
secret,
Oh, I do.
and yeah, it's going to be fun.
We know whose bike that is.
Hello.
7 beers down.
I'm not 7 beers down, you lying shit.